Pre-wax exfoliation is a must. Removes dead skin cells, allowing wax to grip hair better. Reduces the chances of ingrown hairs and post-wax irritation. Gentle scrub or exfoliating mitt 24-48 hours before waxing. Trim hair to an ideal length. Hair should be 1/4 to 1/2 inch long for the best results. Too short, and the wax won't grab properly. Too long, and it increases pain. Small grooming scissors or a trimmer for precision. Choose the right type of wax. Hard wax is best for sensitive areas like the bikini line and underarms. Soft wax works well for larger areas like legs and arms. Always opt for high-quality wax to reduce irritation and breakage. Warm wax to the perfect temperature. Wax should be spreadable, but not too runny or too thick. Always do a patch test to avoid burns or ineffective results. Use a wax warmer for consistent temperature control. Apply pre-waxing oil or powder. Helps protect the skin from wax sticking too aggressively. Reduces irritation, especially in sensitive areas. Lightly dust powder or rub a thin layer of oil before waxing. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Ensures the wax grips the hair properly for better removal. Reduces the chances of breaking hair instead of pulling it from the root. Helps achieve longer lasting smoothness with fewer ingrown hairs. Remove wax strips in the opposite direction. Pulling against hair growth ensures complete removal from the root. Helps reduce pain and prevents excessive irritation. Always pull quickly and close to the skin for the best results. Hold the skin taut for less pain. Prevents excessive skin tugging and bruising. Reduces discomfort, especially in sensitive areas. Always pull the skin firmly and tightly when removing wax. Avoid reapplying wax to the same spot. Can cause burns, skin irritation, and excessive redness. If some hairs remain, use tweezers instead of re-waxing. Always apply wax thinly and evenly to minimize the need for reapplication. Deep breathing to manage pain. Exhaling while pulling the strip reduces pain perception. Helps keep the muscles relaxed, making waxing easier. Mindfulness techniques can further reduce discomfort. Apply a cold compress post-wax. Helps calm the skin and reduce inflammation immediately. Minimizes redness, bumps, and post-waxing sensitivity. Use an ice pack wrapped in a soft cloth for 5-10 minutes. Moisturize with aloe vera or witch hazel. These ingredients soothe irritated skin naturally. Prevents excessive dryness and redness. Look for alcohol-free formulas to avoid further irritation. Avoid hot showers for 24 hours. Heat can further irritate freshly waxed skin. Open pores can absorb bacteria, leading to breakouts. Stick to lukewarm water and avoid harsh soaps or scrubs. Wear loose clothing after waxing. Tight clothing can rub against the skin and cause irritation. Breathable fabrics like cotton help skin heal faster. Avoid tight jeans or synthetic leggings immediately after waxing. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.